up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Jen, and I'm sitting right now on the floor in my little filming room because I'm about to do some sugaring at home, right? I am so excited. Now, recently I did go get my bikini wax. I get that done on time. I don't miss that appointment. I've been going to the same lady for years, but this time when I went, I was like, you know, just do that area and just do my brows. If you're new here, guys, I got my brows microbladed, but I still have to get them cleaned up from time to time. So I was like, you know, just do those areas. Don't worry about the underarms and don't worry about the legs, because your girl Jen picked up this Instagram viral product that I wanted to try. And not only did I want to try it, I said, you know what, let me try it on camera for the girls. Because, you know, if you're someone who's looking to clean up or be clean all the time, you don't have to wait on an appointment, you might want to give this sugar paste a try too. See, I'm thinking about you. I'm always thinking about you. I saw this product being advertised on Instagram and it was viral, so I was like, you know what, let me give it a try. Let me give it a try. Okay, sugar paste. This is classic sugar paste. The ingredients are natural sugar, water, and organic citric acid. I also got like this spatula. It's supposed to allow me to spread and then flick. Spread and flick real fast. And then I picked up this popsicle stick that's like in the shape of a guitar, which was only $1, that I guess I can spread it and do my upper lip. I've never ever waxed my upper lip, but I think it's time. Now, if you've been rocking out with your girl Jenny, you know, like back during the summertime, I did this Target's Must Have. And I featured these waxing strips by Ashley Graham. Those were a complete fail. Hair that came off, that one right there. Yeah, all it's doing is pulling my skin. So no, this wasn't a summer essential. This was a summer fail. Sorry. All right, so like I said, I'm in my little filming studio, my little room. I'm in front of my big mirror. I am sitting on like a little blanket so that I can be nice and comfortable as I'm sitting in front of the mirror. I have my light here, that way that I can see. And then over here, I just have some water because the product is water soluble, so it will dissolve in water. You know, my fingers get all nice and sticky. And then I have just a clean washcloth, you know, to help clean my hands up and clean up any mess that I may make. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started, shall we? Ooh, I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Okay. Oh, it smells good. It is not edible though, so don't eat it. Okay, so here's the product, straight, you know, in the jar. It's so pretty. I hate to even move it. So this would be the time where if you are someone who does not like hair, this would be the time, sis, for you to click off, because your girl Jen, I got some hairs. Like, I saved my hairs this go around from my waxing trip just to try this sugaring product. So I have some hairs. I have some hairs. You want to see them? I got so much hair. Like, look at that. Okay. So then she says you just mush it through your fingers and sort of just work the sugar. You're trying to get it to basically form like such, like so. You're just stretching it out, making it a lot more malleable. I think that's the correct word for this. But I don't have enough, so I know I'm not about to do no real damage because I don't have enough. But anywho, okay. So you're supposed to put it, oh snap, put it on your finger, and you're supposed to start a little bit above. That's why I ain't put on my good wig, child, because I'm getting sugar in the hair. Okay, you put it up, oh, and you drag it down. Ooh, that hurts. Oh, I'm not doing this right. Okay. I know that this is not like the most aesthetically pleasing way of putting this on, but okay, the hair did come out though. Ow. Ah. I did get some hair off, but I did pull out a patch of hair to somewhat help me out. Okay. Good. Okay. Then you run your fingers down. And the trick is to flick fast. But that is so hard to do because it's like you're inflicting pain on yourself and your nervous system slows your motion down. Like you don't want to. Okay. Oh, snap. See, it's not all coming off in one swoop, but the hair is coming off. Okay, I'm coming, y'all. I promise I'm coming. I'm coming. Nah, I'm coming. Okay, the hair is coming off. It is working. I am pleased with that. However, it just... And then what's left of this little piece, like I say, this is not aesthetically pleasing. This don't look like it looks on Instagram when the little girl is swiping it down and pulling it. It doesn't look like that. I just wanted to do it with my fingers because that's the way that she did it. So here's the first ball that I use. You can see all of the hair inside of here. And then you can see how much I snatched off. I did good. I moved too slow. So I know she said that you can, for any little spot that's left over, you can sort of roll it and snatch. And so as you can see, I just got this piece right here. I'm proud of myself. I didn't do it right. I didn't snatch fast. But you can, I did it though. Look at that. 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 I think the most appropriate song to play in the background right now is "It's Hard Out Here for a Pimp." That's what I think should be playing in the background right now. Okay, so this is just me using a damp washcloth. It's cold. It's a cold compress. I'm wiping very gently. And you know what? I don't think I had my arm taut either. That might have been what made it challenging. So there's my arm. Here it is before with having hair. So I'm gonna speed through this other armpit. This time I'm gonna use the spatula and everything I just learned that I did wrong over here and try to do it right over here. So let me try. Okay.
Just give it up. I'm not your girl and I never will be. Don't call me up. Don't waste your time, cause I'll be your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. Here you'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong. You and I could have fun together when I feel done with having fun on my own. It's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else.
So I was gonna show you this arm over here sped up, but what had happened was when I got over here to this arm, I was getting the same thing that was happening over here, which is just basically I was not able to pull fast. I wasn't able to get that flicking motion, even with using the spatula. But I realized I wasn't getting that flicking motion right. Like you're supposed to just wipe down a few times and then snatch. But I know the reason why that particular motion isn't working for me is because my hairs were just too overgrown. Typically I get waxed everything every 6 weeks, but my arm hair, my underarm hair grows back a lot faster than anything else on me does. So my underarm hair is always somewhat overgrown in comparison to like my bikini area and my legs and yada 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 yada. This time, instead of it just being like a week overgrown, it is like 3 weeks overgrown. So you were seeing like me going 3 weeks without having had anything done to my underarm, because I really wanted to try this product. I really wanted to give this product a try. But now that I've tried it and I know that it 100% works, and I really like it, like, it was hard. It was hard, but it wasn't hard because of the product. It was hard because your girl Jen was overgrown, and that was just my fault. You know, that's just my bad. So I just wanted to show you the sugar. All of my hair, and I'm sorry if that's nasty, but all of my hair is trapped inside of the Sugardoh, right? I have like 3 strands right here. I'm literally counting 1, 2, 3. I have 4 strands right there, but I'm not gonna worry about them, sis. I'm gonna get my tweezers and pull those. I'm not gonna try to go back over them again with sugar, not for those 3 pieces. All right, so that is it. That is it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this product a 10. I would give this product a 10 and a half. 10 and a half. I like it. I love the way that it cleans up. I like that it really is not time consuming. I just, again, didn't like have the best first experience because of I was overgrown. That was my bad. That was on me. Yeah. So this is the jar. That just kind of shows you that I didn't even use a lot of product. Then I put this butter knife into the bowl of water, and all of the sugar literally dissolved off and into the bowl of water. Oh guys, yeah, so that brings us to the end of this vlog video. I'm getting ready to go get my nails and feet done, then come home, chill for a minute, and then get dressed. And like I said, if I haven't already, I will insert some pictures for you of what I look like when I went out and hung out with my real good friend. So guys, I will see you in my next vlog video. Bye guys.